This is the main part of campus. And it says, welcome home. And this is a nice campus. Beautiful. Let's take a little walk around on campus. Some lovely buildings here. The main building. I suppose this is administration, or maybe it's an auditorium. Franklin is the name of that one, and this one is called Davis. This wings on either side that are identical. Look at them. This is a Saturday afternoon in February. February the 12th, as a matter of fact. And this right here is the dormitory. This is beautiful. This campus is beautiful. Look how well, nicely landscaped it is and well maintained. Yes, 1787. Melor Sympatia Geminis. Don't understand that Latin. And look at this building here. This is a dormitory. Well, let's take a walk up the main part of campus. This is probably a dormitory right here as well. But there's not many people moving around on campus. Where are they? Have they gone home for the weekend? Possibly. A little bit of Civil War history here. Campsite for Sherman's army, Louisburg, at the end of the war. On May 1st, 1865, 5 days after the Confederate General Joseph E. Johnston surrendered to Union General William T. Sherman near Durham Station, approximately 12,000 to 15,000 of Sherman's Army of Tennessee camped in Louisburg en route to Washington, D.C., commanded by Generals John A. Logan and Oliver O. Howard. Their tents filled the groves of Louisburg Female College, 1857, where you are standing, and of Louisburg Male Academy across Main. So the female academy and the male academy were separate during the Civil War era and before. The college was housed in a 4-story structure to your right known as the main building. That's the one we just looked at. The male academy building was later moved to a site northeast of the Performing Arts Center, where it remains. Troops stored so much corn in the academy that the floor collapsed. Some local residents hid in their homes, but former slaves expressed jubilation. A band played stirring national airs. Anna Fuller, who lived on Main Street, kept a detailed diary during the encampment. "I am bewildered and my heart is sick," she wrote on May 1st. "The town is full of Yankee soldiers riding and walking up and down every street and coming into our yards and kitchens. The reality is upon us. We are a subjugated people." Most of the soldiers passed quickly through town, but on May 3rd a regiment arrived to maintain order and ensure that slaves had been freed. The troops finally departed on July 27th, causing little disruption. Wow. A little bit of history here at Louisburg College. Let's walk across the street to the male academy, it was called back then. It's all one and the same now, co-ed. There's a nice church down there. North Theater. You don't see anybody walking around campus. That's kind of odd to me. I don't know why. Usually you see students walking around campus, but not today. That's a nice building. Oh, this is what they were talking about. The male academy This is what they were referring to. This was the men's academy. Look at this. Beautifully maintained. That's a nice building there with the rounded porches there. Look how nicely sculptured the shrubbery is. Brick sidewalks. A lovely campus. Oh, here's a historical sign. Let's check it out. Get some information. And I like the library building. That's nice. Louisburg College opened in 1857 on the site of the Franklin Academy, chartered in 1787. Now a Methodist junior college, coeducational. Okay, that answers that. And I'm just going to climb right over the wall here. Don't think anybody in mind. And walk down here to the chapel. before concluding my visit. You got a nice little patio area here behind the church. And look at the windows on the side of, well, maybe this is the chapel. It's a Methodist university. Can you see inside? No, not really. What is this sign? It's in different languages. And what is it? It's the Miller Peace Garden. That's what it is. May peace prevail on earth. Very nice. This is a Clifton Benson Chapel. And it's a lovely looking building too. Be nice to see the inside of it. Okay, that concludes my tour of this lovely campus.